Hello everyone, today you will see the new Chevrolet Blazer EV-RS, a performance electric crossover from 2050. Like and subscribe for futuristic electric cars. Front view. The Blazer EV-RS features a bold, illuminated grille, matrix LED headlights, and sculpted aerodynamic intakes, projecting sporty, futuristic styling. Rear view. Continuous LED taillights and a sculpted diffuser emphasize the crossover's sporty and modern rear design. Side view. Sleek lines, muscular wheel arches, and futuristic alloy wheels highlight the crossover body with a futuristic flair. Interior. Inside, the cabin is futuristic with curved OLED dashboards, holographic displays, torch red leather seats, and ambient lighting. The interior matches the exterior color theme perfectly. Under the hood, dual electric motors deliver instant torque, all-wheel drive, and long-range performance, supported by advanced battery technology. On the road, the Blazer EV-RS accelerates smoothly, handles with precision, and offers comfort, blending sportiness and technology for a 2050 driving experience. This Chevrolet crossover combines futuristic style, performance, and luxury. Don't forget to like and subscribe.